Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up ManyChat on your Facebook page in 2025. Once connected, you will be able to automatically reply to messages, send broadcasts, and build chatbots that engage your audience. Step 1. Go to ManyChat and create your free account if you do not already have one. You can sign up quickly with your Facebook login. Step 2. Once you are logged in, ManyChat will ask you to connect a Facebook page. Choose the page where you want to set up the chatbot and give the necessary permissions. Step 3. After you connect your page, you will see your dashboard. This is where you can start building automations, flows, and broadcasts for your audience. Step 4. Test the connection by sending a message to your Facebook page. You should see ManyChat responding automatically. Step 5. From here you can set up welcome messages, default replies, and even automate more advanced features like AI responses and event reminders. And that is it. You just set up ManyChat on your Facebook page for 2025. Now you are ready to engage your followers with smart automation. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want to see next.